Hello, everyone. My name is Wellen Chu, and I'm the Alliance Director of Thales. Microsoft is one of the key partners of Thales worldwide and in the Asia region. Today, we're very glad to speak with my colleagues, Scotty Woolley-Price, Solution Partner Marketing Manager from Texas, USA, and Vinay Yi, Regional Sales Manager from Singapore, about the customer successful journeys with Microsoft Azure and Thales. Hello, Scotty, Vina. Many thanks for your time in speaking with us today.
Hey, Wellen. Hi, Vina.
Hi.
Well, perhaps we may start with you, Scotty, as you've been working with Microsoft very closely. What is the synergy between Microsoft and Thales?
Well, for decades now, we've been working with Microsoft, and we've had a really strong partnership globally. We started out working together on hardware security modules, and those are still going really strong. But more recently, we've done a lot of synergy and working together on solutions that enhance security in the cloud. We've helped enable government agencies, financial institutions, and large enterprises all around Asia and the globe to move their workloads to the cloud and realize the cost benefits and agility that Azure has to offer. Also, Thales has been honored to receive the Microsoft Partner of the Year award, and we look forward to more innovative collaborations in the future.
Thank you, Scotty. And Vina, would you like to tell us why the partnership between the two companies have been so successful, and what benefits do that bring to our customers?
Sure, Wellen. Many enterprises are very much aware of the benefits of the cloud. However, they are hesitant to move to the cloud mainly because of the fear of losing digital sovereignty. So Thales helps to remove the blockers to the cloud, and we also act as a catalyst for customers' migration. So how does that work? Thales adds an extra layer of data protection that customers can retain control over their data. So this makes it easier for customers to demonstrate compliance with digital sovereignty, including national data protection regulations, PDPA, as well as PCI DSS. As a result, Thales accelerates customers' cloud migration and increase Azure consumption.
Thank you, Vina. And now a question for you, Scotty. We have seen a surge in the demand of security. At the same time, what are the compelling events that trigger customers to adopt the solution offered by Microsoft and Thales?
As we all know, customer data is very important, and that's why if a customer is using the cloud, it's critical to make sure that their compute, storage, and networking are running on a secure platform. And Microsoft Azure provides that foundation. After the foundation is set, there are a couple of compelling reasons why a customer would be interested in adopting a joint solution between Microsoft and Thales. First, digital sovereignty. That is how the customer applies control over their content in the cloud. They need to be able to prevent unauthorized access as well as mitigate risk from subpoena or other geopolitical impacts, such as the Cloud Act. Second, the customer needs to meet regulatory requirement, and this requires that customers retain control over their own security. And third, customers need to manage risk, and we all know that that is a constantly changing landscape.
Thank you, Scotty. Scotty mentioned about compliances. And Vina, as you have been facilitating customers to adopt cloud extensively, which regulations, in your view, are most impactful to our customers in Asia?
Yes, Wellen. In Asia, we have in Singapore, on the 1st June 2021, MAS launched the Cloud Advisory Circular. And in Thailand, also on the 1st June 2022, there was a Thai PDPA Act. Philippines came in with their DPA Data Protection Act. And in September, just in 2022, Indonesia also came in with their PDPA bill. So some of the top requirements for data regulations centers around control and managing of the keys and data in the cloud.
Thales and Microsoft have achieved a number of co-sale successes. Can we hear more of these success, Scotty?
Microsoft and Thales collaborate extensively at the global and regional level, from Azure Cloud all the way up to Azure Stack Deployment, and even national level sovereign clouds. The end goal is really to give the customer the right choice in meeting their business objectives. And with that, I'll turn it back to Vina now, who will share some of our customer success stories.
Thank you, Scotty. Yes, we do have several successful cases, and I'm happy to elaborate two of them. One is in the government public sector, and the other in a global FSI insurance company. So for the government ministry, they wanted to actually leverage on the cloud to perform data storage and analytics. Sensitive operations on premises as well as in the cloud had to be protected. Customer chose Azure Stack Hub, where the customers can benefit from a hybrid cloud environment, and the Thales solutions were actually deployed to ensure the management and operation of the security services are retained with the customer. For the case of the insurance global firm, they had a mandate to move about 80% of their workload to Azure. The client needed to satisfy National Regulatory Data Protection Act as well as GDPR. And so we worked very closely with Microsoft to remove the blockers to the cloud and to also enable the customer to retain control of their data sets and security in the cloud.
That's excellent news for the customers. Any final words from our viewers across the world? Maybe we start with you, Scotty.
Sure. Well, I just want to say thanks for taking the time to listen in, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions at all. Microsoft and Thales together can help you decide which encryption methods are the right ones to meet your sovereignty requirements. You can find out more at our Thales CPL website or scan the QR code that you see on your screen to see an interactive demo of our products. Thank you. Vina?
Thanks, Scotty. Right, so Microsoft and Thales, we have a very successful IP co-sale strategy, enabling customers to move with confidence and security to the cloud. Thales enables customers in the cloud to meet national data privacy and protection regulations, and with that, digital sovereignty, having control of their data and key management in the cloud. Ultimately, Thales accelerates Azure cloud consumption. Thank you, Scotty and Wellen.
Once again, thank you, Scotty and Vina, for sharing your experience in helping customers to remove the concerns they have. You have also illustrated the importance for customers to retain the digital sovereignty and thereby accelerating their journey to the cloud and achieving their business goals more efficiently. And with that, thank you all.